Lake County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to explain the ins and outs of the Illinois Lake County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Lake County Probate Court is located at 18 North County Street in Waukegan, Illinois. It's a prominent building, easy to find. You can use this map or your mapping software to find its exact location. But as you can see from the photo, the building is a prominent municipal building containing other offices and other courts, plenty of parking around the building. With any courthouse, we recommend that you leave your house early. Give yourself a chance to drive to the courthouse, park, make your way into the building through security, find your courtroom or the court clerk's office and take a deep breath. We recognize that probate court is often a very confusing and stress-induced area of practice, so give yourself a chance to take a deep breath and breathe. Like most courthouses, the Lake County Probate Court is a secured facility. You'll meet security as you enter into the courthouse. Most people understand what they're allowed and not allowed to bring into a courthouse or a secured building in which you have to go through a metal detector. But sometimes those things can be a little confusing. For example, little body sprays or breath sprays are prohibited because they're aerosol cans, as well as alcohol or really any outside food. In addition, lighters and matches are a prohibited item, as well as phones that allow for recording devices, and things on your keychain like a nail file or clippers or little knives, of course, are prohibited. So to really make sure that you don't get to the building, get to security, only to learn that you got to go back to your car, check the court's website for updated information about the prohibited items, as well as check your purse and your pockets before you get out of your car, because it's awfully frustrating to go through security only to be turned back to go back to your car. The Lake County Probate Court, of course, handles probate and trust and guardianship related matters, deceased probate estates, trust that need supervision, and guardianship matters. The Lake County Probate Court is really fortunate to have an experienced probate judge serving on behalf of the community. The Lake County Probate Court participates in a web system that allows for some really relevant and practical information to be obtained from the comfort of your home rather than traveling to the courthouse to get those pieces of information. So for example, I've provided you here with the link to the Lake County Circuit Clerk.org or .org, and then the Probate and Wills Division that allows you to access court forms, information about the filing fees, the courthouse itself. So you can actually access court forms as well as do a court docket search of a particular file. So for example, here I'm showing you to click that little probate records button to then take you to a court search page that allows you to search the larger circuit court system. Here I search for John Doe. This page tripped me up a few times because even though I clicked the I'm not a robot area, I didn't click that little button in the corner that says that I accept the terms of service. So I've highlighted it here to make sure that you're aware that you got to click that button. In addition, the court allows you to go deeper into the file. Here when I search for John Doe, I've got hyperlinks that if I click on, I can get additional case access information about filings, hearing dates, court information about the case number, and relevant information that may be really practical rather than driving down to the courthouse to go pull the file. The most common and really the most important question often is, how much is this all going to cost? The Lake County Probate Court's filing fees are reflected here, and the information is updated regularly on its website. To really understand the full extent of the filing fees as well as any attorney fees, you should contact your probate lawyer or the court to make sure you understand that these are the initial filing fees, but there will be additional expenses as you go through the probate process. The state of Illinois and the Lake County Probate Court maintain really accurate records relating to all the filings that occur within that particular county. In the last fiscal year, which is published, which is 2018, Lake County opened up 1,220 probate estates, 61 were reinstated, 1,079 were disposed of, concluded, and a little short of 5,000 were remaining at the end of that year. So what do you discern from all this information? The Lake County Probate Court is a busy courthouse. So navigating through a busy courthouse is not easy. So having an attorney can be incredibly helpful. It's also important to know that you're one of many files at the courthouse. So come prepared to be able to explain your particular set of circumstances. In addition, the state maintains records relating to the age of pending cases that are divided by case category. Here you can see that probate estates represented 13,683 pending cases, almost 15.5% of the court's civil docket. This also makes sense because probate estates often go year to year. They don't just wrap up in a short beginning and end finite period of time. They often carry on as reflected in the earlier table. Many files occur and don't conclude at the end of 1 year, but rather go on for the life of the individual or for many years within an estate. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate and trust related issues. If you have questions about the Lake County Probate Court or any probate related matter, visit us at theprobatepro.com or call us at 1-833-PROBATE.